So, hello guys, today I will teach you how to remove black bars in OBS. Follow my steps and watch carefully, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, let's start. When I say black bars, this is what it looks like this, the black rectangle in the sides. So, the first thing you will do is go to here, right click the image, transform, fit to screen, like that. So the other steps is like this: right click, transform, stretch to screen, like that. Then always check the video resolution here in settings. Go to settings and go to video. Always check if the resolution is 1920 by 1080. Then apply and OK. Then the other steps is right click, transform, edit transform, then edit the size 1920 and close. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand and follow all my steps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.